How to buy MiaoCoin token. So this token came under the symbol of Miao. Now before we start, so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the explainer to be able to buy this token. But before that, as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's many investment in a safe place. This token is trending number 9 right now on the explainer. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Binance Smart Chain Network. Open your Bitcoin wallet for that. Now go to your wallet, select the BNB chain as a network from here. Click on this plus icon. Now place the token address as you can see here. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added. So this is our token. Click on it. And now here click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. But make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now with that, type how much you want to buy. As you can see here. So here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. After this, it's simple. Click on swap now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Miao token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.